How do homing pigeons find their way home from hundreds of miles away without a map? Today, we're decoding the biological GPS of these avian navigators to understand how they master long distance travel. First, pigeons utilize a magnetic map. They possess tiny iron oxide crystals in their beaks that act as a compass, allowing them to sense the Earth's magnetic field. By detecting magnetic intensity and inclination, they identify their precise location relative to home. But their toolkit gets even more impressive. These birds also rely on visual landmarks, highways and rivers, once they get closer to their destination. Interestingly, if you block their view of the sun, they still navigate perfectly, suggesting they use a combination of smell and infrasound to build a mental map of their route. Pigeons even map human cities, but do they follow street grids or rely on solar cues? Scientists discovered they remember complex visual patterns and train their internal clock to adjust for the sun's movement. Essentially, these birds synthesize magnetic, visual, and atmospheric data into a singular, foolproof navigation system. It's a masterclass in biological engineering. Pigeons combine magnetism, memory, and sensory inputs to travel with pinpoint accuracy. If you enjoyed this avian mystery, hit subscribe for more fascinating animal science facts.